During this show of a year, the Mixologer has been delivering more and more mixology kits to curious, thirsty boozers like yourself. Kits like our Ultimate Old Fashioned Box, Fiery Mandarin, and Pornstar Martini. And now we're helping you take your at-home bartending skills to the next level. How? Smoke. Introducing the Master Mixology Set from the Mixologer. Complete with our new cocktail smoker, clear ice ball maker, and 3 smoked cocktail kits, including the smoked old fashioned, the smoked mangonada margarita, and the smoked velvet Manhattan. To get to here, we've done lots of R&D and partnered with the best manufacturers to produce our own unique variations of a cocktail smoker and a clear ice ball maker. The smoker was designed for our signature smoked cocktails to infuse flavors like apple, maple, and cherry. Just put the wood chips in the smoking chamber, turn it on, ignite them with a match, and watch the magic happen. For a more mild, subdued aroma, use more chips. And what's fire without ice? Our ice ball maker generates perfectly round, crystal clear ice spheres ideal for any mixology level cocktail. Using directional freezing, the ice ball maker was engineered to force water to freeze from the top down, pushing impurities into a reservoir tank below the ice molds. And no purified or boiled water necessary, just use tap water. Simply fill the mold to the bottom of the line with water, freeze for 24 to 30 hours, and slide out the mold for crystal clear ice. With higher purity, your ice will melt slower, and you can typically get through at least 2 cocktails. Plus it looks ritzy as hell. The Mixologer team has laid the groundwork, and now we're ready to bring this comprehensive homemade cocktail experience to you. Order your Master Mixology Set today and you'll receive the cocktail smoker, clear ice ball maker, 3 delicious smoked cocktail kits, each one with ingredients to make 4 drinks. For all orders, we're guaranteeing a shipping date for the first week of December, thus making the Master Mixology Set the ultimate gift for the holidays. Just be sure to limit Uncle Steve, because these babies will go down quick. We have very limited early bird pricing and production capacity on our Master Mixology Set, so order yours today for the best deal. Make this holiday season one to remember. Or forget. Be your own bartender and order the Master Mixology Set today.